Today, in this lecture, we are going to discuss how to write data into a file. Okay, for writing data, we have two methods, write and write lines. Our first method is write method. This method is used to write given string into a file. Okay, it cannot write tuple or list into the file. Whatever string we will provide to the write method, it will write it into the file. Okay, our next method is write lines method. Write lines method is used to write string, tuple and list to the file. Okay, or simply we can say write lines method is used to write sequence into the file. Sequence must contain string or text. One thing is there, in both the function write and write lines, both method does not add new line character, that is end of line, okay, on its own in the file. So we must provide new line character, that is this, at the end of every line or string. Otherwise, entire data to be written into a single line. Okay. Now let's see how both these write and write lines function work using the program. Our first function is write function. Let's see how does it work. Here we have created a file demo new, okay, .txt, and we have opened this file in append mode so that file can contain old data and new data. Let's run this program and check the output. Okay, we have entered this name and it is in the file. Okay, let's run this program again. Okay, Ram and Kisan. This is the old data and this one is new one. Let's check the file also. This is our file and this is our data. One thing is there, both old and new data is appearing in same line. Okay, because by default we know write method does not add any new line character in the file. So now after adding this line, let's run this program and check the output. Now here we can see this is our old data. Okay, now and this is our new data. New data is appearing in next line because we have added this new line character over here. Okay, let's open the text file also. This is our file and this is the data. Okay, this is old data appearing in same line, but this is the new data appearing in different line. Now the question arises, can this write function write tuple or list into the file? Okay, let's check it. Now pass this list over here and run the program. Now the error is here, write argument must be string, not list. Okay, it means using the write we cannot write list into the file. Okay, let's create a tuple also. Now we will pass this tuple variable to the write method. Let's run this program and check the output. Now the error is here. Write method must be str, not tuple. It means write method can only write string. Okay, it cannot write list or tuple into the file. Our next method is write lines method. Let's run this program and check it. How does it work? Okay. Okay. Now we have entered this name and it is here in the file. Let's run this program again. What will happen? Now we can see here both Ram and Kishan, both the names are appearing in same line because we have not used end of line character here. Now let's run this program again and check the output. Now here we can see the names data is appearing in different lines. Let's open the text file also, and here we can see here also in the text file the data is appearing in different lines just because we have added this end of line character in the end of the string. Okay. Now let's create a tuple and check how to write a tuple into the file. First of all, delete all the content of this file and make this file empty like this. Now pass this t into the method. Now we don't need this line, so we are going to delete this line. Now run this program. This is the tuple and we have passed this tuple into this function. Now let's check the output. Now this is the output. Okay. Now open the file, open the text file. This is the data in the text file. Okay. Now create a list and pass this list to the function and check the output. Okay, this is the output, and open the text file also. This is our text file. All the names are appearing in separate lines. Okay. Now the question arises, can it write numbers also in the file? Okay, let's check it. No, it cannot write other type of data into the file except string or text. Now change it into the text or a string. Will it write or not? Let's check it. Now it has done it. Okay. Open the text file also. Now the 2 is here. It means it can write only string or text into the file. One thing is there, both the write and write lines method cannot write integer data into the file. Now this is all about the write and write lines functions.